Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Buddha bowls are a colorful and creative way to build nourishing meals.
Simply start with a bed of greens and add layers with whole grains, vegetables, and a source of protein.
Mediterranean Buddha bowl. Toss chickpeas with olive oil and salt and bake. Prepare farro according to package instructions. Assemble your Buddha bowl. Layer spinach, cooked farro, tomatoes, cucumbers, chickpeas, hummus, and feta. Top with chopped parsley and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar before serving.
Thai-inspired Buddha bowl. Cook red rice as directed. Toss cubed tofu with cornstarch and cook until crispy. Assemble your Buddha bowl. Layer Bibb lettuce, cooked red rice, shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, crispy tofu, and chopped peanuts. Drizzle peanut sauce over your bowl and dig in.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.